studio vlog on this art channel. I'm so excited to have you here and to be sharing my weekly work process with you. So if you don't know, I am Nikki Jackson and I've been running my art business for many years now, and it's kind of evolved over the years, but now I'm currently working on illustrations and fine art paintings. And I really want to share the process with you guys. And so I'm hoping to do like a monthly studio vlog or a fortnightly one. It just depends on my workload really and what I can fit in. But I'm really excited to share my work process with you guys. And you can see what I get up to on a weekly basis running my art business. And I'm going to be sharing both the illustration side and the fine art side, as well as bits about my degree. I'm doing a distance learning degree in illustration, and I'm just about to finish my level 1. So you can look forward to seeing clippets of that as well. So let's get into the working week. It's currently Tuesday. I had a very busy day yesterday and filmed a few clips for you. I've been working on a big custom card order. So let's get into it, shall we? Friday, and that means it's the eve of the EHarts market this weekend. I am really excited. I'm going to be chatting live on Instagram with Adele from Deli's Designs and Kylie from Kylie Sketches on the Saturday and Sunday, and it's going to be lots of fun. So today I'm finishing off my preparations for my products that are going to be available this weekend with 20% off. And so let's get into the day. While I sit down and have my cup of tea. So it is starting tomorrow, which is the 7th of November, and it's going through to the Sunday. And basically a whole massive group of us who belong to Emily Harvey's Patreon group, we're going to be doing an online market together on Instagram using the hashtag EHartsMarket, and that's spelled EHarts market. So we're all going to be using that hashtag, and we're going to be going live and showing you our studios and showing you all our new products and things like that. We're going to be chatting to each other, and it's just going to be such a fun weekend. Most people are offering a discount. Everybody's might vary, but mine's going to be 20% off for Saturday and Sunday. And all you need to do is go to my website and enter the coupon code EHarts, EHarts, and that will give you 20% off any amount that you spend on Saturday or Sunday. So it's going to be a really, really fun weekend. I'm really excited. I can't wait to talk to the other ladies and just talk art, really. It's going to be a lot of fun. So like I said, today I am finishing off some of my products and getting those photographed and up on the website, and yeah, it's going to be great. So it's getting on for around 4:30 now, and I've just started to set up my table for the market tomorrow, and I might move things around a bit. It's just really to put out the things that are available on my website and to sort of have like a bit of a little pretty display. So like I said, I might move things around before then, but this is what I've got so far. So like I said, it's about 4:30 now, and I'm getting tired. I've been editing pictures and sorting things out for the website all day and getting the setup done and finishing off products. So I'm pretty much there now. I just got one more lot of bookmarks to print and cut, and yeah, try and get this studio vlog out. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this first studio vlog. I'm hoping to get them out as often as I can and keep you updated on my art process. So have a great weekend. I hope you'll be able to join us for the EHarts market, and don't forget, I'll be offering 20% off of any order of any size, and that'll be just for this weekend. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye.